Good morning, everyone, and welcome to your channel for another day. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to use a proxy in a secure way so that you can use it without compromising your data. In today's video, I bring you 3 different ways to use a proxy. 2 using web proxies for times when you need to hide your IP and how to properly set up a proxy in Windows 10 and 11. First of all, please, I would like to clarify that if you are not clear on what a proxy is, please click above and find out what it is first. When you are clear about what a proxy is, come back to this video and learn how to use it. I'll remind you of 2 free proxy services for private browsing. The first one is from Hive.me, a security company founded many years ago that from the last year is offering a reliable free proxy. It's very easy to use. Visit their website and fill in 3 boxes. Location proxy, that's the one you have to choose from which country you want the page you visit to think you are browsing from. More options allows you to optimize your privacy, and above these 2 options you have an address bar to put the page you want to enter. In the More Options box, it is important that you check, remove all objects and scripts and uncheck cookies if you are looking for privacy, as these elements can track you around the web. A cookie could be installed in your browser, and although when you visit a website with the proxy you will do it in a private way, the cookie could still be there tracking you when you later browse in a conventional way. As an example, let's try to access Netflix.com, pretending to be a Dutch citizen. We type http://netflix.com and tell it in location proxy that we are from the Netherlands and click on Visit anonymously to see what happens. As we can see, the web page appears in Dutch. Even if we go to the footer of the page, we will see that it says Netflix Netherlands. So the website thinks we are visiting the page from there when I really reside in Spain. And the second option is VPN Book, which is one of the best free proxies that you can find and simplifies to the maximum its mechanics so as not to confuse the user without knowledge. Here, you only have to choose the country of the proxy, write the page you want to enter, and hit the Go button to proceed. This service is from another VPN company. It blocks some scripts and doesn't let you unblock them, and does not give you the option to unblock them. This means that yes, by default you will browse in a more private way, but in return some of the pages you visit will not work properly because of the blocked elements. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, these 2 web proxies are for specific uses. If you want to navigate permanently using a proxy, you must do it in the following way. If you want to configure a proxy locally, Windows 10 and 11 offers the necessary options to be able to do it. For it enters in the configuration menu, opening the menu of beginning and pulsating on the icon of the gear in the column of the left. Once inside, you must click on the network and internet option. In this menu on the left, you will have several options to monitor the behavior of your home network and configure different services. Click on the proxy option to access the configuration menu for these services. Once in the proxy menu, go to the Use Proxy Server option and mark it as enabled. Enter the IP address and port of the proxy you want to use. There is also a box where you can include the web pages you want to exclude from your browsing through this proxy. Once configured, click Save, and the changes will be applied. From now on, any web page you visit from your browser will normally go through this proxy. This way you will be able to spoof your IP. And you may be wondering, Borja, but where do I get this IP from? There are some VPN companies, for example, Hidemi.name, have lists of free proxies from various countries and with different levels of privacy. This particular company claims to check each proxy to make sure they are secure, to ensure that they are secure. And of course, if you are interested in any of their products, they will be happy to sell them to you. And this is the end of today's video. If you liked the video, please leave me a like to let me know and subscribe if you want to learn new things every week. I'm Borja Galisteo, and see you in the next video. Bye.